Bitcoin price pumps 5% to $65,000 after CPI data. Can BTC break out of its current range? Joel Frank last updated, May 15, 2024, 12:55 EDT 2-minute read. Bitcoin price pumps 5% to $65,000 as CPI data. Can BTC break out of its current range? /source, Cryptonews. The Bitcoin BTC price surged more than 5% back to the $65,000 level on Wednesday in wake of US CPI inflation data that showed moderating price pressures in April, supporting bets that the Fed will be able to ease interest rates a few times before the end of 2024. The rise in the Bitcoin price came alongside a 0.9% jump to new all-time highs for the S&P 500. Meanwhile, U.S. bond yields and the U.S. dollar index slumped to one-month lows. Traders are currently the most confident that there will be at least one cut by September in around 1 month. That's according to CME data, which shows a 71% money market implied probability of at least one cut by September. 1 day ago, the money market implied probability of at least one cut by September was around 65%. Bitcoin now faces a crucial technical barrier in the form of its 50 DMA at $65,166. If the Bitcoin price can break above here and its May highs around $65,500, further short-term upside could follow. The next level to watch would be the late April highs around $67,000. Beyond that, a retest of yearly highs in the $73,000 area would be the next target. Can the Bitcoin price break out of its multi-month range? Fears about a gradual rise in inflation in 2024 has been a major headwind to Bitcoin in recent months. Sticky inflation at the start of 2024 forced markets to price out aggressive Fed rate cuts. That's probably the single biggest reason why Bitcoin stalled after hitting new record highs near $74,000 ahead of the halving. It has since been locked within a consolidation range, trading mostly between $60,000 and $70,000. But the latest inflation report, while not a game changer itself, shows signs the cone inflation bump won't last. If concerns about inflation are set to ease from here on out, macro could be about to flip to a medium-term tailwind for Bitcoin, rather than being a headwind. So can the Bitcoin price break out of its multi-month range? Well, in recent years, May hasn't been a good month for Bitcoin. As per Bitcoin Monthly Return, Bitcoin fell 35% in 2021, 5% in 2022, and 7% in 2023. As per Steno Research, over the past 5 years, Bitcoin hasn't performed well during the middle months of the year. And post-halving rallies don't typically get going until 4-6 months after the halving. That would suggest no major push higher until after August. But 2024 could be different as it's an election year. Markets tend to rally into elections, breaking them out of their normal bearish summer conditions. Long-term Bitcoin price risks remain strongly tilted to the upside. Rate cuts, the halving continued. Government spending and demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs could vault BTC above $100,000 in 2024 or 2025. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.